enhances decision-making. With its ability to analyze data and predict outcomes, AI provides a solid foundation for informed decisions. This means less guesswork and more data-driven actions. In a world where efficiency and accuracy are paramount, the application of AI in predictive maintenance is a game-changer. It's not just about preventing failures, but ensuring public safety and operational excellence. Clearly, AI has revolutionized the way we approach predictive maintenance. Let's delve into a real-life example to understand how AI has been instrumental in predictive maintenance. Consider a municipal water supply system, a critical infrastructure serving millions. Historically, this system has faced challenges with aging pipes leading to unexpected breaks and water supply disruptions. Enter artificial intelligence. The Water Authority implemented an AI-driven predictive maintenance solution. This system utilized vast data, including past pipe failures, pipe material, age, pressure data, and more. Applying machine learning algorithms, the AI model was trained to predict pipe failures with impressive accuracy. The results? The Water Authority could proactively replace pipes predicted to fail, avoiding disruptions in water supply and potential public health hazards. This approach also led to significant cost savings as emergency repairs were drastically reduced. AI didn't just solve a problem, it revolutionized the entire maintenance strategy, shifting from reactive to predictive. This case study is a testament to the transformative potential of AI in predictive maintenance. So, what have we learned today? Predictive maintenance is crucial in safeguarding our infrastructure. It's where artificial intelligence truly shines, enhancing prediction accuracy and efficiency. Through our case study, we've seen AI in the real world, revolutionizing maintenance practices and ensuring public safety. It's clear, AI is not just a futuristic concept, but an active player in today's maintenance strategies. AI is undeniably a game changer in predictive maintenance, shaping a future where infrastructure failures are a thing of the past.